Are flat earthers being serious? This question may elicit laughter, but for some, the belief in a flat earth is no laughing matter. Yes, you heard it right. There's a collective of individuals who, in the face of overwhelming evidence, dismiss the concept of a spherical earth as a grand deception. The question then is, where did these beliefs originate? Let's trace back in time. The flat earth belief is not a product of modern skepticism, but rather, it has roots in ancient civilizations. Many early cultures, including those of ancient Greece and China, held on to the belief in a flat earth. However, as scientific understanding evolved, so did our perception of our planet, leading us to the broadly accepted understanding of Earth as a sphere. Fast forward to the 21st century, and the flat earth theory has seen a resurgence. Modern flat earthers, as they are known, are not just a fringe group of conspiracy theorists. They are a diverse crowd, ranging from the casually curious to the fervently dedicated, who question mainstream scientific consensus, asserting that we've been misled by entities like NASA in a global conspiracy. But why, you might ask, would anyone reject the evidence that's right in front of their eyes? Welcome to the world of cognitive dissonance, a psychological phenomenon where individuals experience discomfort when confronted with information that challenges their deeply held beliefs. To alleviate this discomfort, they may dismiss or distort the conflicting evidence, further entrenching their original beliefs. In the case of flat earthers, cognitive dissonance could help explain their resolute rejection of mainstream science. They see themselves as brave truth seekers, challenging a deceptive global authority. In their worldview, they are not the ones in denial. Rather, it's the rest of us who are blind to the real truth. So, despite all the scientific evidence to the contrary, why do flat earthers hold on to their beliefs so firmly? Let's delve a bit deeper. As we venture further into the enigma of the flat earther mindset, remember that it's not just about proving them wrong, but understanding the complex psychology and motivations that fuel these beliefs. Flat earthers don't simply reject mainstream science, they have their alternative, the zetetic method. At its core, the zetetic method is an alternative to the scientific method, heavily relying on sensory observations rather than theoretical speculation. Picture it as a form of inquiry that begins with the experience, placing a premium on what can be directly observed and perceived. It's a method that champions the senses as the ultimate arbiters of truth. Now, how does this translate into a cosmology for the flat earthers? Well, the zetetic method leads them to a vision of the universe that's quite different from what we're accustomed to. It paints a picture of a disc-shaped Earth, a far cry from the spherical model we're familiar with. This Earth is not orbiting the sun, instead it's the celestial bodies that are small and mobile, circling above us in the sky. The zetetic method also leads to a rejection of gravity as we know it. Instead of an invisible force pulling objects toward the center of a massive body, flat earthers propose that it's simply density and buoyancy at play. An object falls not because it's drawn to the Earth's center, but because it's denser than the air surrounding it. But it doesn't stop there. The zetetic cosmology includes a firmament, a solid dome that encapsulates our world, with stars fixed like tiny pinpricks in its surface. It's a cosmology that, while unconventional, is intricate and compelling in its own right. What's intriguing is how these alternative explanations appeal to flat earthers. They offer a straightforward, sensory-based understanding of the world, free from what they perceive as the convolutions of mainstream science. It's a worldview that's both accessible and empowering, allowing individuals to trust their own perceptions over external authority. The zetetic method and its resulting cosmology provide a framework for flat earthers to navigate and understand their world. But what drives their adherence to these alternative explanations? To comprehend the resilience of flat earth beliefs, we must delve into the psychology of conspiracy theory acceptance. Such theories appeal to a deep-seated need for control and understanding, offering alternative explanations that challenge mainstream narratives. They satisfy a craving for unique knowledge, the allure of being privy to secrets hidden from the masses. The phenomenon of minority influence also plays a significant role. Though flat earthers constitute a small group, their influence is disproportionately large. This paradox is explained by social psychologist Serge Moscovici's theory of minority influence, which suggests that the dedication and consistency of a minority can sway the majority's beliefs over time. Flat Earth beliefs, like other conspiracy theories, offer an alternative worldview that can be empowering for its proponents. They provide a sense of control and understanding in a complex, often confusing world. Psychology provides insight into the appeal and resilience of Flat Earth beliefs, But there's more to this story. Flat earthers present a paradox: staunch rejection of mainstream science paired with selective acceptance of certain scientific principles. Indeed, it's a fascinating conundrum. These individuals, while dismissing the globe model, often rely on other scientifically proven phenomena to justify their claims. For instance, they might accept the principles of optics to explain the apparent curvature of the horizon while simultaneously rejecting the notion of a spherical Earth. This selective acceptance extends beyond isolated scientific principles. It encompasses an intricate belief system that prioritizes specific aspects of science, often those that seem to support the flat Earth narrative. Despite the contradictions, these beliefs are held with genuine conviction, further highlighting the paradoxical nature of flat earther ideology. Consider the unique focus of flat earthers on the Earth's shape. It's not just about rejecting the sphere. It's about endorsing an alternate model with its own set of rules, its own physics, and its own cosmology. The selective acceptance of science by flat earthers adds another layer of complexity to their belief system. Flat Earth beliefs have persisted and even grown, challenging established scientific norms. The Flat Earth Society, which was once a fringe group, has seen a surprising surge in membership in recent years. This isn't a simple case of willful ignorance, but rather a complex interplay of belief systems, cognitive biases, and human nature. The endurance of flat Earth beliefs is a stark reminder of the challenges faced by science communication and education. It underscores the need for empathetic and effective strategies to engage individuals with diverse viewpoints and to foster scientific literacy. Moreover, the persistence of these beliefs sheds light on our understanding of human cognition. It forces us to grapple with the uncomfortable reality that truth, as we perceive it, is often shaped more by our beliefs and biases than by empirical evidence. In the end, the question isn't just are flat earthers being serious, but also, what does their seriousness say about our understanding of knowledge, truth, and belief?